The question says, what is the potential difference between B and D? So we want the potential difference between these 2 points. So first thing, we can simplify this branch as well as this branch in terms of EMF and the resistance. Like over here, 1 volt and 2 volt are in the difference mode, where we can subtract it and give the direction of 2 volt for the entire branch. So if we do that, we get 2 minus 1 as 1 volt, and 1 ohm and 2 ohm becomes in series for this. So overall it becomes 3 ohm. So now we have this point to be connected as D and this point as B, which have an external resistance as 2 ohm. Now for this branch DCB, we can say 3 volt and 1 volt are in the difference mode. So resultant will be 2 volt in the direction of 3 volt. So that will be this way, 3 minus 1 2 volt, and the 2 resistance in series, 3 ohm and 1 ohm becomes 4 ohm. So now if you refer this diagram, we can say it is E1, R1, E2, R2 and external resistance R, for which we can use the shortcut E equivalent by R equivalent is equal to E1 by R1 minus E2 by R2. Now if you are wondering why minus sign over here, it's because the current in this branch will come over here as I1 in this direction, and current in this branch will come in this direction as I2. So I1 goes over here, I2 goes over here. So if we assume for time being that I1 is greater than I2, we can have current in this direction as I1 minus I2. So now because of this minus sign, that I equivalent in this branch is nothing but I1 minus I2, we can say E1 by R1 is representing I1 and E2 by R2 is representing I2. So and this represents I equivalent. So I equivalent is I1 minus I2. Now if we substitute the values, for R equivalent it is the resistance 3 and 4 parallel to each other. So definitely R equivalent is going to be R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2, which gives us 12 by 7 ohm. Correct? So now if we substitute the values in the equation, we get E equivalent upon R equivalent as 12 by 7 is equal to E1 as 1 volt, R1 as 3 ohm minus E2 as 2 volt upon R2 as 4 ohm, which is nothing but 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. And if we rearrange this, we get 7 E equivalent by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3 as minus 1 by 6. Now do not worry about the minus sign in this kind of sums, because the minus sign will just indicate that the direction which we have assumed for the current, somewhere there is an error. So we can, whenever we find that minus sign in that, we can rectify that later on. So 6 2s are 12, that gives us E equivalent as minus 2 by 7 volt. Okay, now R equivalent we know and E equivalent we know. Now we want the potential difference across these two, point B, D, and that will be IR. So V between B and D is going to be I1 minus I2 into R, and that I1 minus I2 is nothing but I, which is equal to E equivalent upon the external resistance plus the internal equivalent resistance, which is 2 by 7 upon capital R as 2 and R equivalent, which we already got as 12 by 7. So if I simplify this, we get 2 by 7 upon 14 plus 12, which is 26 by 7. The 7 gets cancelled and we get the value of the current as 1 by 13, which is nothing but I1 minus I2. So we can replace that over here and we get 1 by 13 into the resistance is nothing but 2 ohm, So the final answer is 2 by 13 volt.